Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to smarthome. Today's video is going to be all about transforming your home into a smart haven in 2024. With the rapid advancements in technology, creating a smart home is now more accessible and exciting than ever. So, if you're ready to embrace the future, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Section 1. Laying the foundation. The first step in creating a smart home is laying the foundation. Ensure you have a reliable Wi-Fi network with good coverage throughout your home. This will be the backbone of your smart ecosystem. Section 2. Smart hubs and compatibility. Now, let's talk about smart hubs. They act as the brain of your smart home, allowing different devices to communicate with each other. In 2024, compatibility is key. Choose a hub that supports a wide range of devices and protocols. Section 3. Essential smart devices. Next, let's explore some essential smart devices to kickstart your journey. Smart speakers, like Sony, Alexa, can serve as a central control point, integrating with various devices. Section 4. Lighting and climate control. Lighting and climate control play a crucial role in a smart home. Invest in smart bulbs and thermostats to enhance energy efficiency and convenience. You can control them using your voice or a mobile app. Section 5. Smart security systems. Security is paramount. In 2024, smart security systems have become more advanced. Install smart cameras, doorbell cameras, and smart locks to keep your home secure. Some systems even offer facial recognition technology. Section 6. Entertainment and home automation. Make your home entertainment smarter with devices like smart TVs and streaming devices. Explore home automation by integrating smart blinds, curtains, and even robotic vacuum cleaners. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting a smart home in 2024. The possibilities are endless, and the technology is only getting better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below with your favorite smart home device. Subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Until next time, stay connected and stay smart.